Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. Viewers, if you like my videos, then don't forget to leave a comment. Don't forget to press subscribe button. February 2020 Sagittarius horoscope promises incredible vigor and liveliness during the month. It is up to you to use your acumen to make use of it in a gainful manner. Sagittarius personality is driven by the tremendous impetus of planets this month. In addition, you have the forceful Mars in your sign. Added to that, planetary strength is situated in the eastern half of the chart. Hence you have abundant energy and you can create whatever you wish. Planetary positions in the east will make you extremely autonomous and you are not dependent on others. There is no need to consult or collaborate with others. You can create your own empire the way you want with all the energy at your command as per 2020 forecasts. The majority of the planets are in the southern sector of the horoscope. As a result, emotional stability and domestic affairs will be the priority. You can use your enormous energy to strengthen your mental stability. This will facilitate the accumulation of physical assets for Sagittarius personality. Sagittarius love and relationship horoscope. Sagittarius compatibility with your spouse will be intricate and turbulent after the 14th of the month. You have to strike a compromise between authority and gratification in the union. Marital life will be full of romance and passion. Venus will dictate the feelings of single persons. There will be many opportunities for forming love partnerships. If you are in a committed relationship, your passion and authority may damage the alliance. Sagittarius family horoscope predictions. February 2020 monthly horoscope predictions do not bode well for family affairs. The negative positions of planets will create disharmony and conflict in the family atmosphere. Family expenditure will tend to overshoot. This will add to the existing problems. Proper budgeting will be necessary. Children will be affected by the family intrigues and will have a problem with their studies and activities. Sagittarius health predictions. February Sagittarius 2020 horoscope predictions suggest a bleak month for health prospects. Chronic diseases tend to flare up and require more medical attention. All minor ailments should not be neglected and require more care. A good exercise regimen and a healthy diet will reduce the chances of ill health. Sagittarius career horoscope 2020 Sagittarius horoscope suggests that career will take a back seat this month. Try to maintain a pleasant relationship with your associates and seniors. Build a good emotional base to deal with the problems in your career and wait for a good future after the Mercury retrograde. Sagittarius finance horoscope 2020 forecast for Sagittarius finances foretells a good time after the 18th of the month. The abundant energy available with you will make earning money a breeze. However, do not indulge in risky financial activities and avoid speculation at all costs. Sagittarius education horoscope 2020 monthly horoscope suggests that is not encouraging for academic activities. Planetary aspects are not favorable and you will achieve partial success. Technical students and those taking competitive exams will have to struggle harder to get through. All you can do is to wait for good times to come. Sagittarius travel horoscope February 2020 horoscope for Sagittarius star sign is highly beneficial for travel. Foreign trips are also likely. People in the creative field can get inspired for their projects by traveling. Professional and business travel will be lucrative.